this is. You can see the island of shoes to really walk on the wall of this mountain.
Kailangan pagapang.
Kasi 360 degrees of this
Video.
With me is Ismail, the owner of that iPhone 4, and we conquered this mountain, a 360 degree view of this Pico del Oro. It's have a courage. You must have a courage to climb this mountain because the very steep coming to this peak. Okay? So guys, you have to go here in Pico del Oro Cove. See, it's very fun, and that's why we can say we have the peak of Pico del Oro. Yes.